Hello children, we have already discussed 4 important functions of political parties. That is, they contest election, political parties put forward different policies and programs, political parties run and form government, and those political parties that fail to win election, they play the role of opposition. Here we shall discuss more 3 important functions of political parties. Point number 5. Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. राजनीतिक दल माने गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निर्वाह करिथांती देशर आईन तैयारी करिबारे. Now you know legislative, that is in the law making body, laws are made. But here I am saying political parties play a role in making of laws. So which one is correct? I have already said in parliament, that is in legislative, laws are made. Now here I am saying political parties play an important role in making laws. So am I saying 2 different things? Let us see. Now parliament, legislative or parliament is the law making body. We have 2 houses in parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha has 545 members and Rajya Sabha has 250 members. Out of 545 members, 543 members are directly elected from parliamentary constituencies, and 2 Lok Sabha MPs are appointed by the president from Anglo-Indian community. So 545 सदस्य विशिष्ट 545 सदस्य लोकसभा रे थांती आउ सेमानक मध्यरु 543 आर इलेक्टेड जस्ट लाइक फ्रॉम आस्का एमएलए एमपी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी श्रीमती प्रमीला बिसोई हैज बीन इलेक्टेड. और राज्यसभा रे कौन था 250 सीट्स. 232 MPs are elected by members of legislative assemblies of all states. 232 MPs are elected by members of legislative assemblies and 12 members are appointed to the Rajya Sabha. So when a law is made, first of all, a bill has to pass in the Lok Sabha and then it will be passed in the Rajya Sabha. So when a bill gets passed in Lok Sabha and in Rajya Sabha, and then finally we can say that a new law is made. नुआ आईन केतबेले हेई थाए लोकसभा र सदस्य माने ताकू पारित करिवे, they will pass it, and so also the members of the Rajya Sabha. Now who are these MPs? These MPs belong to political parties. जो माने लोकसभा रे एमपी होंतु बा राज्यसभा रे एमपी होंतु, these MPs they belong to political parties. So indirectly political parties play an important role in making laws. Now we'll discuss the next function. Political parties shape public opinion. राजनीतिक दल माने कौन करती जनमत को सृष्टि करि थांती. They raise and highlight various issues. अनेक गुड़ाए समाज विषय को से कथा उठे थांती आओ जहाँद्वारा कि आम समाज गोटे जनमत सृष्टि होता है. Final function of the political parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes started by government. Political parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes started by government. Before making you understand this point, let me ask you one thing. You know, Odisha government declared Kaliya Yojana. Shri Naveen Patnaik spoke about Kaliya Yojana. Your Odisha agricultural minister, Krishi Mantri, he spoke about Kaliya Yojana. Now, a ordinary farmer from your village, can he know about Kaliya Yojana? Can he talk about Kaliya Yojana directly with the chief minister, directly with the MLA of your area, or can he speak directly with the agricultural minister? No, it is not possible. And it is also not possible to discuss with all the government machinery, all the officers. But it is very easy टू अप्रोच ए लोकल पार्टी लीडर से गाँव रे से अंचल जड़े से नेता से दलर नेता को बा गोटे एक्टिव मेंबर को सहजरे में भेटी पारिबा जड़े चाष कृषक भेटी पारिबो आ से संपर्क रे बुझिकी कालिया योजना विषय संपूर्ण भाव में जापर और एग्जाम्पल से उज्ज्वला योजना इट वाज ए स्कीम स्टार्टेड बाय पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान. नाउ can a ordinary household, can a mother of an ordinary household directly speak with petroleum minister? Is it possible to talk with an MP or MLA? But that a mother of a household can easily talk with the local party leader. से गाँव रे गोटे नेता सहित आराम से उज्ज्वला योजना विषय कथा ही पारिबे. So here access means entry. So it is not easy to talk about government schemes with the officers directly. But those who are the local leaders or local members, it is easy. It is easy. We can approach them easily. आमे तांको पाखरे सहजरे जाई परिबा तांको सहित कथा ही पारि.